Hello everyone. So just want to give some encouragement. Today I went to my garden and it's a small garden. It's a struggling garden, but it's a garden that gives me food. So this pot is the largest pot. This is the 6-quart pot. I got this kale from one plant. So you see how it fits in. Of course, when I cook it down, it's going to be much smaller, but this is a pretty decent size. It can feed at least us. Added to a meal for one time. We have a family of 6, although we eat like a family of 10. All right, so I'm going to take this out so y'all can kind of use this for measure. So this is my 6-quart pot, the really big one, right? The kind you put boiled spaghetti in. So this is my big old farmer's basket. Is my collards. And these collards came from mainly from one plant, but I did get like some smaller pieces from other plant. So basically I'll just say I got this from about 2-3 plants. These are collards. So this is what I picked today. And granted, mind you, I said, oh, it's not much. I don't have anything. But this is what I got from one really big plant and then some like really smaller pieces like these things, because my plant bolted, which is basically means that it just kind of started to sprout up into like to flower. So all these things is from, look at that. And when it cooked down, it's not going to be that low. This is enough for at least a whole meal. So if you feel like you have to have a huge garden, you do not. If you have enough space to have like 1 or 2 plants, or even 5, it's something. You don't have to have a whole bunch. And I just want to encourage you guys to just get started. Just get started. Don't think about what you see, what you have other gardeners. When you see other gardeners on YouTube, they didn't go out to the yard and then the next day it happened. Like that's called Jack and the Beanstalk, and that's a fairy tale. So if you want to grow your own food, just get started. If you have to get seeds, get seeds. If you want to get the little sprouts from the store, get sprouts from the store. Don't worry yourself with it being organic. I prefer to have organic food. The reality is the USDA and the FDA really don't care too much about our food. So I grow my food and I don't put pesticides on there. I grow the best way I can. Because bottom line is, even if I buy all my food organic, if I go to the restaurant, it's not organic and I'm eating that food up. So get growing, start somehow. If you fail, it's okay. At least you started. Learn your lesson. Don't consider it a complete failure. Consider it a lesson learned. You guys have a blessed day.